This is a still image, this is a reference video, and this is what happened when I combined them using Kling Motion Control. Completely free, no subscription needed. But here's the catch. If you use it directly on this website, it will cost you 200 credits, and you only get about 150 free credits per month. So technically, you can't even make one full video. But don't worry, I've got a workaround. Now listen, earlier this used to cost just 10 credits, but that method is already patched. So today I'm showing you a new method. I don't know how long this will last, so make sure you stay updated. Here's the trick. Instead of using the default model on that site, we'll import a model from fal.ai. I'm using the Kling 2.6 motion control model, which only costs around 50 credits per generation. That means with 150 free credits, you can create up to 3 videos instead of just one. Much better, right? And if you run out of credits, you can always create another account and continue. I'm not sure how long this method will keep working, so if it ever stops, I'll upload an updated version. Just comment "newbie" on this video, and I'll know you need the latest method.